What are we doing today, Eric?
Oh, I don't know. I'm confused.
We're doing storm drain at a church. Go ahead, say your hurtful stuff now. Go ahead, say it.
Fuck off.
Look at my drawing. Look at my pretty drawing. You see this? Hey! Rat. You had to kill my drawing, didn't
I'm
you?
a bully.
Look at you freaking threw my drawing out of whack. This is Frog's third time trying to put that piece together. Look at him. We're fighting our way out of the corner here.